Hi, my name is Jennifer Vollmer, and I am a new student to Brandman University. This is my first class with Brandman University. I did take a class with Capella University prior to coming to Brandman, but Brandman had more to offer me educationally and went along with my career goals as well of what I want to do in the future. I plan on graduating in the summer of 2021, possibly sooner, depending on how many classes I take each session. Right now I have 2 classes for the session. I am not sure if I'm going to continue with 2 classes. We'll see how that goes after this part of the spring session, and I may continue with 2. I may just do 1 per session. So the projected date is summer of 2021. I would like to go on after my master's to obtain my license in marriage and family therapy, so that I can continue to work in the field that I currently work in. I work in the substance use disorder field as a supervisor, and I would like to go on to be a licensed professional in that field. So I can intern with the county that I work with in the same program. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've taken a very similar course to this one, and I actually have the same textbook from before. It's a different edition, but it's very similar to the current edition that we're using for this class. So I'm very familiar with the context of the textbook. And what I would like to take away from this class is to really help others understand what culturally competent is. And because I believe that there are many people that don't understand that concept and are ignorant to it. And so I feel that taking this course will equip me to better help others understand what cultural competence really is and how important it is to the workforce as well as to society. So that's me in a nutshell. Thank you.